Right, adding now, BJP is claiming a Kejriwal link to the shooter. The Bharatiya Janata Party escalating the political showdown, says shooter's terror outfit hosted Arvind Kejriwal. Arvind Kejriwal, remember, who's not the Chief Minister of Delhi anymore, but he remains Aam Aadmi Party's national convener. BJP says Arvind Kejriwal stayed with this Khalistan terror mastermind, one Khalistan terror mastermind earlier, of which there were charges. This was during elections earlier. Now, this, remember, is BJP Sunil Jakhar making the shocking claim that the Babbar Khalsa Khalistan International outfit, that Arvind Kejriwal could have a link to the shooter because one of the mastermind associated with it had hosted Arvind Kejriwal. Let's listen in.
जिस तरह पंजाब सरकार दी शह दे उत्ते गैंगस्टर्स माफिया ते अतवादी ताकतां ने पंजाब दे अंदर पिछले 2.5 सालां च सिर चक्किया वो सारिਆਂ वास्ते चिंता दी गल होनी चाहिदी है। आ जिहड़ा हमलावर है जिहड़ी रिपोर्ट्स आ रही हैं ਉਹਦੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਆ ਉਸੇ ਖਾਲਿਸਤਾਨੀ ਲਿਬਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਫੋਰਸ ਦਾ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਮਰਥਕ ਰਿਹਾ ਜਿਸ ਇੱਕ ਸਮਰਥਕ ਦੇ ਘਰੇ ਯਾਦ ਕਰੋ ਕੇਜਰੀਵਾਲ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਖੁਦ 2017 ਚ ਉਹਦੇ ਘਰੇ ਉਸ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਇੱਕ ਮੁਖੀਆ ਦੇ ਘਰੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਰੁਕੇ ਸੀਗੇ। ਨਲਾਇਕੀ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਪਿਛਲੇ 2.5 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਆਦਮੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਸੁਰੱਖਿਅਤ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ।
We'll wait for a reaction on that from the Aam Aadmi Party. Remember, the Aam Aadmi Party is currently in government in Punjab, and BJP is charging one of the reasons for that is for Arvind Kejriwal saying that one of the mastermind or those associated with the Babbar Khalsa, they had hosted Arvind Kejriwal years ago, and this is with regard to, remember, that had led to a political backlash as well. They are saying the shooter possibly was known to Arvind Kejriwal. And that's why now Aam Aadmi Party's convener's name also has been dragged. Full-on political showdown over this. Aam Aadmi Party government in Punjab will be waiting for the reactions from them as well. Bhagwant Mann is facing flak right now as a chief minister. How can someone with a terror background who has served prison time so easily be allowed right outside the Golden Temple, a holy site, with a weapon and charge at Sukhbir Singh Badal? Remember, Badal usually also has a share of security. He's been repeatedly Deputy Chief Minister. He comes from a strong political family of the Akalis, of the Badals. But what led, and that's not yet clear, what led Chaura to charge at Badal specifically? And remember that because he was pushed away, the shot did not hit him. But this was a close call. What led Narayan Singh Chaura to get that weapon and shoot at point-blank range at Sukhbir Singh Badal? So we'll try and get more details on this for now as our colleagues get more updates about what the cops are saying, what the investigation is looking like. And Aman Bhardwaj joins me for the latest on that. Aman, so you're getting this perspective from what the cops had said earlier. How are they investigating this further? About the political showdown, Sunil Jakhar saying shooter's terror outfit, referring to Babbar Khalsa, had even hosted Arvind Kejriwal.
Yes, exactly, Pooja, because Sunil Jakhar, BJP's chief in Punjab, has labelled major allegations that Arvind Kejriwal, when he visited Punjab or when was developing his political roots here, so he visited Babbar Khalsa's chief's residence, and that's what BJP is more concerned about. And now these attacks, because our roots to this ex-militants or radical leaders, so that need to be investigated thoroughly. And also Akali Dal, where politically is weakened from previous years, somehow giving this enhancement or activities, attacks on leaders just because of this radical groups, because Akali Dal were weakened, so this radical groups are more into power or activated. Because when Akali Dal was activated in last 30 years of Punjab politics, so this radical groups was holded by somehow by Akali Dal or groups.
So huge political showdown has erupted. Aam Aadmi Party now at the centre of this controversy. One, because they're in the government in the state, and this is a law and order issue that's being raised against them. But importantly, BJP Sunil Jakhar says, but the terror outfit's mastermind had even hosted Arvind Kejriwal. What about that? What will Kejriwal and other AAP leaders say on that?